Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than Verasity. We're going to be analyzing the chart, see what is really happening with Verasity and where the price can really start headed as we do go into the month of June. So if you like these kind of updates, you guys know what to do. Smash that like button, hit that red subscribe button, and now let's get right into it. So if we're looking at the price, it is sitting at half a cent right now, down about 2% in the last 24 hours in USD, Bitcoin, and Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. But most importantly, if we're looking at its market cap, currently sitting at $50.6 million, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $8.3 million, which is great to see. You guys know that, if you guys are part of the Verasity community, I'm sure you guys know that, Verasity is making a move towards the upside slowly but surely, and we're going to get more into detail on that. So yeah, we will definitely take that up about 12.7% over the last 1 week. Great things to see. But before we get into the charts, guys, I just wanted to share something very interesting with you guys, which was posted by Veracity's on Twitter account. So I wanted to share that with you guys. If you guys are holders, you guys might like this. So it says, the Vera card will start shipping to UK Verasity holders soon, as revealed by this happy guy on the Crypto Night podcast. The team have been testing the card the past few weeks and it's working perfectly. Looking forward to seeing what Verasity community do with there. So you guys can see, this guy, he showed the card, and this is being shipped to only UK holders. So if you are a Verasity holder and you live in the UK, you will be soon receiving your Verasity card, and this you could use, I'm sure, to purchase day-to-day supplies, you name it, pay bills, all that good stuff. So that is a great thing to point out before we get into the charts. But the charts, guys, when we get into the charts, good old disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So, if we look at this chart from like this angle, just from like the beginning of the year, this chart's not looking too bad, is it? It's not looking too bad at all. But let's zoom out a little bit and see what really has been happening, so you guys can see this for yourself. Right now, we are finding ourselves face a little bit of resistance. So Verasity is on its way back towards the upside right now. But we're finding some massive resistance that dates back to previous year. You guys can see we have a lot of resistance around that support, around that spot. So of course we are, coming in ways to that. But of course, one thing we do need to keep in mind is Bitcoin has also seen a little bit of a minor retracement within its price. But we're starting to see Bitcoin close back into the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. So are we about to see altcoins pop off like crazy? Who knows? Things can really start looking nice. And tomorrow, of course, is June 1st. Massive China news. You guys are, I'm sure, are aware of, China unbanning crypto, and people are getting very excited. And a lot of people are projecting that, the month of June could be really, really bullish for the entire space. So, we are also forming a green candle right now. And in order for us to revisit yesterday's price, you guys can see we are only about 7% away for us to retest that. And remember, I've said this to you guys on a continuous basis, Verasity is a low cap coin, and these low cap coins can pump up super fast. And that is the beauty of these coins, right? The people that get into them sooner, they're the ones that do tend to make the massive gains. Of course, large cap coins, it takes longer to make massive gains. But Verasity, is considered in the crypto space. I've known a lot of people that also believe with me on this. And that's Verasity is one of the hidden gems that is going to be worth a lot in this near future, this next bull cycle. So a lot of people are accumulating right now. You guys would be surprised as to the number of people that are accumulating right now. And we can even go look at Etherscan right now. Let me click that and show you guys as to what really is happening for a project. I'm gonna put this into perspective for you guys, okay? And you guys might be literally shocked when you hear this. Yes, this project has been in the markets longer, for about 2.5 years, but it was launched at the almost peak of the previous bull cycle, but that's not what I'm trying to say. Look at the holder count, 80,000 holders. It has 80,000 holders. Now let's compare this to something like Pepe, a meme coin that the entire world is talking about. The entire the entire world wants their hands on that project, but that has around 115,000 holders with a market cap way higher than Verasity. So that really puts into perspective the community power, the community strength, where people really see this project heading. So this is very exciting. I really wanted to point that out for you guys. And by the way, if you guys hear something in the background, there is construction that's going on in my house, so you might hear something at the back, so please ignore that. I just wanted to give you guys a quick heads up on that. So going back to what I was saying, we are seeing Verasity make a move towards the upside. And if I bring out the measuring tool for you guys, basically since May 23rd, if you picked up the dip, you are already up about 16%. And if we clear this level of resistance that's coming up on our side right now, things can start really moving up quite fast for Verasity, in my opinion. So very exciting times ahead for the holders. Verasity, I'm still projecting that this is going to be one of those big performers this bull cycle, but of course, in order for us to do that, we do need to go past this level of resistance. I've said this for the longest time, and I'll continue saying it until we actually get above that. So that is still a move of about 50% from current prices. So that is it for my analysis today, but I would love to know your thoughts down below, what you guys think. I think we're facing some massive levels of resistance coming up on our end. If we break out of this level of resistance, I really do believe Verasity is about to make some impressive gains. And some people are going to come and hate on Verasity, and we've seen that happen all the time. But some people win and some people lose, and of course only time is going to tell. But I really like what I'm seeing with Verasity right now. And if we were to get a little bit more buying pressure coming in and Bitcoin going above the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level of resistance, which is at 28k mark, fireworks will begin, in my opinion. So let me know down below your personal thoughts. Are you guys still accumulating some Verasity? Are you guys holding Verasity? What is your stance on this? And where you could see the price of Verasity going at the end of this year? And hopefully Binance lists this. I don't understand why they have not listed Verasity as of now. It's still mind-boggling to me. But if CZ, if you're watching this, come on, man, list them. But all jokes aside, guys, I love each and every one of you guys. Go follow me on Twitter. I'm really trying to get the Twitter following going, the Twitter family to grow. So go follow me on Twitter. Link in the description box below. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.